हमारी आज की मेहमान किसी तारुफ की मोहताज नहीं है। चाहे डांसिंग हो, सिंगिंग हो, एक्टिंग हो या राइटिंग हो, फिन्नूला जवानी ने हर फील्ड में अपने आप को मशहूर किया। प्लीज वेलकम इनटू आवर स्टूडियो फिन्नूला जवानी। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो जैसे कि आपने अभी सुना, हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में एक खास मेहमान है। शी इज very graceful, काफी इंस्पिरेशनल भी हैं। You guys have to meet her. Please help me welcome Finnoola Javani. Finnoola, thank you so much for being in studio with us today.
Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor.
We're very, very excited. And I just want to say first and foremost that when I was doing the research on you, I was reading, and the first thing that came into my mind was she is so inspirational.
Multi-talented.
Yeah, and inspirational just kept coming up. Do you get that very often, that you're...
Well, you know what? My mission is to be inspirational. That's why I'm here during this earth right now, during this time.
And it definitely shows.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about where it all began, Fenstar Productions.
Well, after I graduated from theater school, I studied acting, singing, dancing, and I came out, and I swear to you, I was like, there's not that many roles for South Asians. And so 2005, I decided I'm going to create new vehicles. I'm going to start my own production company and start with plays. And started with the first play, Light of India, and that was in 2005. And then it just started to continue like that. And you know, once you build that experience, and I really wanted to the company to build on 5 mandates as part of the Star Points, where I wanted to bring out South Asian content, cultural works, give other people opportunities, platforms to perform, as well as work with a charity. Because I believe that the true essence of giving, of art, is in the gift. Yeah, yes. Is in giving. And so I wanted to do that as well, and then bridge with other communities. And so it was something that I had a dream of doing. And I have to say, I'm so humbled by these past, like, oh gosh, what are we in 2012? Like,
it's hard to keep track. Time is flying by.
It is. It really is. So sometimes you look back and you're thinking, wow, we're in 2012, and where I first started. And the opportunities that have been created, not just for myself, but for others, have been immense. And I look forward to many more years.
So you kind of took the initiative and you said, hey, if I'm not going to find work, I'll start writing and have
but
my
she's
own
so
work.
Talented. I think it's hard to say that you wouldn't find work. Anybody would be willing to snatch you away.
Well, actually, it's a good thing that you brought up that, Lena, because the thing is, it wasn't even just the work. It was small. Like, it wasn't the roles that I really wanted to play. I wanted the characters that were dynamic, strong South Asian roles, And I felt like it was that part of it was lacking.
Yes,
I felt actually on a talent base where I felt kind of like I was deprived.
Yes, you had so much more to offer.
I did. And so I thought, okay, well, what do you do? The best way is to create, to write. And I've always been like a writer, so I thought, why not write? And just tapped right into it, like jumped in full swing. And
unafraid, fearless. Were you afraid at all?
Oh, I guess back then, I have to look back and I think to myself, like when I look at myself now, I'm like, I'm not fearless now.
Yes.
But I know there was that a little bit of that fear. And part of it is because it's the unknown. Whenever you're going into anything that's unknown.
It's a big risk.
It is. It's a risk. I think if anything, I was more fearless about not knowing the business because I had to learn it. That was where the fearlessness came in, like where I think to myself, okay, if I'm going to jump into this, I'm going to have to learn how to run a production company. And I self-taught. And over time, I did a lot of research, just learned a lot of different things and grew with it and wanted to find out what's the best way to get anything out there. I'm actually right now in a music course because I'm learning about social media as a musician. And that's a whole new ball game.
So you're all schooled out, eh? You've just done everything.
Actually, I believe that we should continually learn.
Yes. That it's
Mahatma Gandhi said that live as if you're going to die tomorrow and learn as if you're going to live forever. And I live by that motto.
See, guys, this is what I mean. So inspirational to talk to. We're 5 minutes into this and I'm like, wow, I'm looking at life differently.
A lot of things you write, when you write, do you say, oh, I want to play this character? Or I can really totally relate to this? Like a lot of your writing, is it something that is inside of you? And
it's a good question. Actually, a lot of my inspiration is divinely given to me. So I don't seek it. It comes to me. Like the way 30 Dates came to me was quite phenomenal. I was literally sitting outside at a beautiful green golf course I had a pen and paper in hand.
Yep.
And I write 30 dates.
Speaking of 30 dates, I don't think our viewers know about it. Could you just tell us a little bit about
Yeah,
30
well,
yes,
dates?
that's right.
30 dates is amazing. Yeah, tell us
Speaking
all
of
about
dates,
that.
it's Valentine's Day, so
I
we
know.
are in the
Yes.
mood of love.
We can talk
I
lots
know,
about 30 dates.
I know. We could talk about dating is a whole new area of a
Yes.
topic.
Speaking of dates, I'm not really good at them, so when
You know what? That's I think something when we get comfortable with Fanula, we'll ask her.
I just hear the word 30 and 30 dates, wow.
Okay, so
He's
it's
like 30
yeah.
dates? That's
He's like-
amazing. I'd love that.
So it's a story about this one woman. She's South Asian and she's hitting mid-30s. Okay, so you have to imagine, right? A lot of us in our North American society, the women, they focus on their career first. Then finally they decide,
Ambitious.
oh my gosh, everyone around me is
Yes.
getting married, friends are having babies. Ooh, I'm a little bit late. So the character Priti finally decides, I'm gonna have to go find the one. Actually, I have a soundtrack to it too, called The One. And she goes out there and explores speed dating, online dating, double dating, arranged dating, and that's the 30 dates that we get to see in the play. We don't get to see the second or the third date, but you see the first date because that's when it's the most exciting, right?
When you did your research for this, did you actually go on 30 dates?
No.
And did all this, or
Well, what?
I actually
imagine?
no. I didn't go on those 30 dates. However, I did extensive research. Some of it was my own personal experience. Some of it was from friends. Some of it was from books. I literally sat and read, looked on the internet. I researched because how else can you write about
Yes.
stories? And you want
Yeah.
the people to relate to it. The women related to their stories, but also the men did too. Believe it or not,
They're
because
like, yeah, we do that, you know.
Yeah,
maybe we'll give an opportunity for some men to really realize कि यार ये गलती तो हम करते हैं.
all the time?
they did. Like the famous one is this, and I'm going to give advice for people going on Valentine's.
Okay, here
Oh,
comes
Do
my
not
one.
I need this, I
take-
need this, I need this.
Do not take your BlackBerry and iPhone.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
And we understand now we're in the world of tweeting, and we got to tweet every 5 seconds. What did I eat? I ate. Okay. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I just had pumpkin soup. Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Some
So
of the tweets, I'm like, why? I know.
When it's a beautiful date and someone grabs their phone, starts texting,
Yes.
it's the most annoying thing. Give them your attention,
exactly. So okay. See, there you go. So you're one step ahead of the
Huh.
game if you felt like that.
या तो तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो या
No,
या
I really
you're
feel like
actually
that,
feeling
I
this way.
think, when it's love, you should really talk to them. Phone, throw it away.
Yeah.
Especially when it's the first date. Come
Exactly.
on, first date. You
First
guys
dates are very important, but we had one date that he would just constantly text. And it's important to look at a
Wow.
person's eyes, right? To
Eye contact.
Eye
Unless he's
contact.
texting you and you're at the same table, that's fine, but
Even then, that's a little creepy. अगर कोई
That's cute.
text भेज
That's
रहा है,
cute.
सामने
You
बैठी
could
है.
add maybe one
can talk
text.
to
and he tags you on Twitter.
Yeah,
hey,
you could,
listen.
you could text the person, say, yeah, your eyes are so beautiful.
Yeah,
Or something,
but-
I don't know. But as long as it doesn't become the whole date, right?
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely. So when it comes to 30 dates,
Okay.
on to more a serious question. I know I'm spoiling all the fun, but do you think that there is sort of a pressure? Because I think that the play raises a really good
Oh.
social issue.
Yes,
कि
there
हमारी
is.
society में
Yeah.
इतनी
हाँ,
देर हो गई है, वक्त निकल रहा है, क्या ये problem
What's
क्या है?
society gonna say,
Problem
you
क्या
know?
हो रहा है
वो
यार?
कहेंगे.
Yes,
She's
of
30 years
course.
old. For women,
She's actually
especially.
35,
Is she?
which is
Okay.
even harder because then you have the biological
Yes.
clock ticking,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly.
And in the play, she goes on a date that her parents set her up with. It's one of my
Oh.
favorites because it's quite funny.
Parents are concerned.
yeah. So, and
Their choice is not her choice, believe
Yeah,
me. It's,
yeah.
not, it's
But
by
she's
far.
gonna go do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're on opposite ends of what the match is. But, parents are like, oh, and it's standard, right? Because they think, oh, their friends have a son and the son is still single. Oh, wouldn't that be perfect? We can all be
Yeah.
one happy
And
family,
you know
right?
what? More than that, I notice all the time, it's the families with each other. Like, oh, तुम्हारी बेटी की शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक. It's not even the parents
मेरा एक
themselves.
लड़का है.
No.
They should meet.
Not only that, it's like they raise questions. I've personally, seen a lot of people go through this where the parents are saying, "What's the problem?" You know what I mean?
Yeah,
where
yes.
other people's parents are intervening. So that's something that I think.
But
we
you
can all
got to be
take
picky a
away.
bit, because I'll tell you, the divorce rate is really high.
Yeah.
And I mean,
Absolutely.
and to be honest with you, do people really want to go through that where you do end up getting married
wrong
and then having to
person and- yeah.
exactly.
Do it right. Do it once.
Do it right, exactly.
And
Better
it's-
late than never.
It's interesting because we look at the world right now, and technology has brought us together
Yes.
quite significantly,
Exactly.
right? We can reach out to anybody in the world.
International.
But it's become more difficult for people to meet each other.
Yeah. You know what? I think it's this has become a dating show all of a sudden. अब must one एक dating
Well,
show.
it is Valentine's
अब हम आपको
Day.
dating advice देने वाले हैं. But
Welcome
I'm
to
gonna
Must One. Find your match here.
yeah, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I think it's because हमारे पास ज़्यादा options हैं, and options isn't always a good thing. And I think that's
You
brought
think
up
it's
the-
options?
I think so.
I think it is too, but I think also what happens is that oftentimes people go to a date and they have everything all laid out. So they've closed themselves off. They've left the aspect of an open mind. Okay, he must be this height, must
Yeah.
be like
A
this,
personal
must be
checklist
this.
going
You know what I mean?
on.
The personal checklist,
Yes.
and then you've actually lost the essence of maybe there's something
Getting to
bigger
know them,
here,
yeah.
and you
Yes.
can connect just on the personal level where it's beyond the checklist or
Yes.
this or the expectations. And you'll get to know. You can literally know somebody in 15 minutes if you were to strip all of that
you
away.
click.
Yeah.
Exactly. You know.
Absolutely.
And that's one thing. And I think also too is that people have a lot of fear. People are fear of love
Yes.
because people have been hurt so much, right?
That's true.
So when you're hurt constantly, and then after that, you almost have to put this predisposition in you, and every time you go out, and you're thinking, will I get hurt again? Oh, this is too good to be true. How many times have we heard
Oh,
this?
yes.
Too good to be
Yeah.
true.
There's
And then
something
they
wrong, yes.
sabotage it so that
Something-
it doesn't even go any
how can I
further.
ever forget them? And,
But guys, I have an important question to ask, and I know we're dragging on here, but what is it the difference between our previous generations? Why were their marriages more successful? These are
Were
issues that they could have had back
hold
then
on.
too.
Were they successful?
That's a good question.
I think it's when, let's take arranged marriage for example. It's arranged, and as your life goes on, you get to know each other every single day, something new about them.
Yes.
When you get, say, love, nothing against love, you already know everything about them. You get married,
No.
you take
But it
everything
could
for
not.
granted.
I'm gonna have to cut that because I've been with my husband for nearly 8 years,
Wow.
and we're so in love with each other that every day is a new day for us. So I have to. I'm sorry. That's
On
personal
that
experience.
note,
That's beautiful.
on that
That's
note,
beautiful.
we are going to check out your music video.
Yes.
बहुत romantic mood चल रहा है यहाँ पर Valentine's Day special का. I'm loving it. Must One is very filmy, very romantic today.
I feel very filmy today,
I know. Acha, Fionnuala, tell us about your music video, what it's called, and one word to describe the music video, if you could.
Okay, the music video is called Masterpiece.
Oh.
And, honestly, the title itself sums up that.
Speaks
for
Each
itself.
of us,
Masterpiece.
we are born as a masterpiece. God created us, we were like a lotus flower. When we come through all that murkiness, all the struggles, the obstacles, and when we bloom just like a masterpiece. Masterpiece of a lotus flower.
Wow. Perfect guest to have on Valentine's
That's
Day.
actually very inspiring.
It is.
That's very inspiring. It's very strong.
Notebook कहाँ है? You should be noting all this down.
Right over
अच्छा
here.
चलो
It's in
चलते हैं और
his heart. It's in his
my
heart
heart.
today.
It's
It's
my heart.
Valentine's,
not gonna
right?
forget it. अच्छा चलते हैं देखते हैं Masterpiece. Hope you guys really enjoy it.